Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the SolidWorks Network License Manager server and how to activate a network license. First, open up your SolidWorks installation files. It is advisable that you install the same service pack and the same major release for your SolidWorks License Manager server as the SolidWorks products you are using. Once you have opened the files, you can go to the SWLIC-MGR folder and you can right click the Setup Application file. Select Run as Administrator. You will see the SolidWorks SolidNetWork License Manager Setup wizard will pop up. This will guide you through the installation. Click Next. You'll be prompted to type in your SNL serial numbers. Type it in. You can also separate multiple licenses with a comma. Once your licenses are typed in, click Next. It is advisable to keep the default folder location. Click Install. Once the installation is complete, you can click Finish. Next, you can open the SNL app by typing in SolidNet. You will see there are two programs, SNL Manager Client, then there's also a SNL Manager Server. In this case, open up the Manager Server. You will be told that there are no licenses active for the serial numbers which we have entered. Would you like to activate now? Select Yes. If you have a firewall active on your computer, make sure you select the checkbox if firewall is in use on the server. You will see the two ports that will be used, 25734, 25735. Click Next. Click Select All to highlight all the products you would like to activate, and make sure you select Automatically over the internet. Please make sure you have an internet connection. Then click Next. You should see an activation succeeded. If not, please contact your local reseller for assistance. Click Finish. Here in the SolidNetWork License Manager, click on the License Usage tab and make sure your SolidWorks licenses are available. Thank you for watching.